Right then, the solution to the mince pies and carrots puzzle. Right, so as some of you might have noticed, we haven't got off to a particularly brilliant start this year with these puzzles because this puzzle has a problem. And we'll see what the problem is if I show you sort of how you could solve this. So the puzzle goes that every house in the village leaves out a mince pie for Father Christmas and 2 carrots for the reindeer, but 20 houses have no carrots, so they leave out an extra mince pie. And Father Christmas and the reindeer, they don't eat them as they go along, they put them in a sack, and at the end of the night they notice that there's 37 items in total, and the question is how many houses are in the village. So we thought this would be a pretty straightforward puzzle to start with. So let's say that the number of houses in the village is X. Then under normal circumstances there would be X mince pies, because every house leaves out a mince pie. There would be 2x carrots if every house left 2 carrots, but 20 houses don't have carrots. So the number of carrots is going to be 2 for each of the houses that have them, which is x minus 20 carrots. But then those 20 houses that don't have carrots, they leave out an extra mince pie. So there's an extra 20 pies. And what we've been told is that these 3 things in total add up to 37 items. So what do? You make an equation. So we put x plus 2 x minus 20 plus 20 equals 37. And now if I multiply this out, and now tidy up, x plus 2x is 3x. Minus 40 plus 20 is minus 20. And now I take the 20 over, add 20 to both sides, in other words. Which gives us x equals 19. So some people said, is x equal to 19? That's what the algebra says, isn't it? It says that x equals 19. So the problem with that you may have spotted is what that means is that there are 19 houses in the village, but 20 of those 19 houses don't have any carrots. So the puzzle doesn't work, does it, as it stands? We made a mistake when we set the puzzle. Part of the problem here is that a lot of these puzzles, they're just new puzzles that are made up. We haven't just gone online and Googled Christmas maths puzzles. So we didn't test this in all the excitement and all the rush of trying to get these ready. So it doesn't work. So what could we do? I had a bit of a panic last night when we realised this. We thought we might just re-record the puzzle with a number that worked. But then we thought maybe it's more interesting to see a mistake, because you know, there might be mistakes in some of the other puzzles that are new, and maybe you might spot the mistakes and you could point them out to us, and that could be an interesting exercise in itself, isn't it, finding mistakes. If we wanted to fix this puzzle, how could we fix it? The only problem really here is that 37 is too small. So let's say, like, if x was anything more than 20, then there'd be no problem with 20 houses not having any carrots. So, you know, if x was 30 instead, if x was 30, that would make 3x equal to 90. Which would make 3x minus 20 equal to 70, wouldn't it? So if instead of 37 in the puzzle we'd said 70, then the puzzle would have worked. It would have been a nice solution of x equals 30. But as it stands, it didn't work. So today's puzzle definitely does work. And leave your thoughts in the comments. And I'll post the solution to today's puzzle tomorrow. And we'll go from there. But thanks to everybody who had a go at this puzzle. And sorry this one didn't work. Today's one definitely does work. So I'll see you tomorrow.